Hi everyone, welcome back to CrochetRocks. It's Tracy here, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So this video, I'm looking for the yarn. I misplaced it. This video is a yarn of the week, and it's one of the yarns. One of my subscribers come up with this idea, and I'm really enthusiastic about it. I can tell because I'm a bit out there, but yeah. One of them come up with it, and I can't remember who it is, and whoever you are, thank you. I can't, I never write things down, I ought to. But they suggested I do this yarn of the week, yarn of the month sort of thing from CrochetRocks, my shop, which is www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. And this yarn, I absolutely love it. And it is really, really undervalued as a yarn. I'm going to find it. I'll be right back. Hi, as if by magic, just like that, I'm back. So yeah, I find this is really, really undervalued as a yarn, and it is the Signet Kiddies Kaleidoscope, and it is just gorgeous, absolutely lovely, beautiful, beautiful yarn. And I'm just going to get my neck light, that'll be a sec, and I'll tell you a little bit about it because it's so scrummy. Now, it's a DK weight yarn, but it isn't a thin one. And I've had thin 4 weights and fat kind of DKs, and I'd say this is a good size, and actually a good size DK. It's 100% acrylic, machine washable to 40 degrees. You can hand wash it if you want. And it says cold rinse, short spin, do not wring and do not iron, which, you know, I think is pretty durable in a way. This beautiful one is 267 Rainbow Drops, and I absolutely love it. It is just beautiful and perfect for making something for a kiddie, for a baby. Now, I've only got 2 to show you, although I will show you by the magic, the wizardry of technology, as Boris Johnson used to say. I will show you the others that I have. Not that I've got masses, because I've sold out of quite a bit. But this, again, DK, same doodads, but this one's called Sherbet Dip. And that is just gorgeous. It's like the other one, only way more subtle. And this one was subtle anyway, but this one up against it, look at that. Isn't it dreamy? I really, really like that one. So both of them, they're my favourites in this yarn. So I don't know what possessed me to bring out quite so many of them, but I have brought 4 of each, because I think I, in my head, was going to maybe do one as a giveaway. So I possibly will do that as one of my next giveaways. But it is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so make sure I've got one of each before I put them all away, because I got so many I didn't really need to get them all out, but I was enthusiastic. But I do love this yarn. It is gorgeous. I've used it myself. You might remember I made a scarf for my granddaughter Sophia, and it was rainbow colours, and it had pom-poms on the end. I've still got some of that yarn, just to see if I can. No, I can't find it. But it was, I think, a King Cole one, and they were very, very similar, but much scratchier. And you expect that Signet, being a more reasonable priced brand, that this would be the scratchier of the two, you know. But this is absolutely beautiful soft yarn, and I'm in love with it. I really do love it, especially this one. Look at those beautiful subtle shades. I'm going to have to make something with this now. But if you wanted it just to be a little bit more bold, look at that one. So I don't have thousands and thousands of different colours, but what I do have is something that you probably would appeal to anyone. So let me just pause it for a sec and I'll show you what Okay, so here is my website. This is hobbyrocks.co.uk. I know I've got about 20 million tabs open, so just ignore that. But we've got this lovely blue, And as you can see, it's got the most gorgeous light and dark blues in it. And that one, let's see, it is called Blue Ribbon. It is beautiful yarn, absolutely gorgeous yarn. They also have, we've got Rainbow Drops, which is the one that went up a bit, that we've just shown, only it looks darker on the picture. We've got Sherbet Dip, which is the one that I love the most. And then we've got Strawberry Ripple, which is just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So, and as you can see, look at the price. It's £2.79. So reasonable, so cheap, and just beautiful. So, I've got a fair bit of stock of it. I've got 20 in stock of the strawberry, 18, 17 and 20. So I have got quite a bit of stock of it, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So that is my yarn of the week. So at Hobby Rocks. So if I show you, if you wanted to find it on my store, there are a couple of ways you can go about it. So this is the main page. This is where you can get to everything. So if we go down to this part, you can see these buttons here. If I hover over them, they do look like they're being pressed in. So these are my brand buttons. So if you wanted Elise yarn or Karen yarn, Chalgu, you just click on the one. So if you go onto Signet, it will bring up all of the different ones for Signet that are on there at the moment. So that's one way. Likewise, if you're on the main page, and we do know that some of these filters need working on, but if you clicked on yarn, then on the left hand side you've got lots of filters, and some of them, like I say, do need work, but you can just click on Signet there and you'll find it. So there's always more than one way to skin a cat, as they say, which isn't a very nice saying. So as you can see, there's a few things on sale as well, especially this gorgeous boho spirit. It's one of my favorites. So well worth a look at the Signet. Signet yarns have really come up since well, for the last few years. They were just kind of the cheap end of yarn, but now they are really coming into their own. So that is my yarn of the week. And also I just want to draw your attention to this carousel, which does change from time to time. When I first started my website, it was the sheepies yarn that was going backwards and forwards. Now we've got it on Stylecraft products. I did have Tulip as well going by, but there's always something new. Now these are the ones I've just recently used. This was my hat that I made, and my cowl, and my pumpkin. So I've been doing a lot with Stylecraft yarns recently. So you've got above all these special offers and recycled yarns, tea, jigsaws, and then you've got the carousel, and then you've got the brand buttons, and then the blog posts. So that's kind of how the site works. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you like the yarn of the week. What I'm going to do is every time I do a yarn of the week, I'm going to actually put it on my website as a special offer. So although it says that it's £2.79 a ball at the moment, there will be a little special offer applied. But if you want to find out what that is, just head over to www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.